Hey, I'm back. In today's video, I want to show you a really cool print-on-demand integration for your WordPress and Shopify websites. So there's this really cool company called Printful. Now, Printful, anybody can start their own apparel company without even having to worry about, having minimums, the printing, or shipping products to your customers. Printful does that all for you. So as long as you have a WordPress or Shopify website, Printful basically automates adding and syncing products to your website, and you can control everything from the Printful dashboard. So in this video, I want to show you how easy it is to add a product and see how it shows up on your website. So I kind of made like a test website to kind of try out the integration with Printful, and I kind of did it for fun, but it came out pretty awesome. And I started this website for my corgi. As you can see, you can create shirts and stuff like that for your website. So this one's called Corgi AF, and I'll show you, like, if you go to the shop, you can see like some of the products that I made, and this is all done through the Printful dashboard, which I'll show you in a second. So the really cool thing about Printful is that the dashboard, you have basically everything that you need to, keep track of your orders and then create your products in itself. You can see your orders right here. You can upload a bunch of files. These are the images that I use to put on or the graphics that I use to put on the products. You can create multiple stores as well. The best part about this is that all of it's free to create your products. They don't charge you anything. The only time that you actually pay anything is when you actually order a product. But the great part is that they charge you, I think it depends on what type of product. It could be like a couple bucks. It could be, $13-12 for a shirt printed with your design on it. But you're charging your clientele, $20-25. So the margin in between that is your profit, and that's how you get paid. And you could also set, if you want to charge for shipping or include that in your pricing itself, so you can say it's free shipping. It's really up to you and how you want to run your business. So as you can see, I created the Corgi AF website, or the shop right here. You just go to the store, and then this is where you can see all the products that I have in there already. And then I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily create a product and then see how it syncs to your store automatically. So we're going to go to Add Product, and this is kind of where you pick out the product that you want to create. They have a bunch of different things. You got shirts, women's clothing, kids clothing, living room stuff, accessories like phone cases, socks, backpacks, and even hats. So they even do embroidery for some of their products, like some of the hats for sure, and definitely, and then I think some clothing as well. Now, because it's winter and it's cold, I think we're gonna create a hoodie. And there's a couple to choose from, as you can see. I'd like ones with zippers, but I'm not a huge fan of some of these brands. They're a little lightweight, but this one's really cool. So as you can see, it says starts from $26. And we're gonna go here, and then this is really cool. You can just drag and drop or insert a design you already have. So I'm just gonna choose, let's go with this one. And then you could play with the design, make it bigger if you want. Yeah, that looks good. So you can see that it fits, even though the graphic is actually a little bit bigger than the print thing it says. It's fine. And it'll be right on the front. So after we have the image added, all we need to do is go to Proceed to Mockups. And this is really cool. They actually put mock-up designs for you on whatever you want. So like you could just have a flat image, and these will show up on your website. I like to go with the model one. This one's really cool. I like this one. And then you get to choose another mock-up style display on the back on the design, and I'll probably put just a regular one. Let's do that one. All right, and we'll proceed to details. Now this is the part where, you know, the product name, you can name it whatever. So I'm going to name it what the thing is. So suns out, buns out, hoodie. And then you can type out a cool description. They already put kind of like what the product is, and then you could just change up some of the words in here, but that's for a later example. You can attach all this stuff, is you could just leave it there, and then you have categories on your website. You could pick one or more, and then I'm going to go to proceed to pricing. So this is where you decide how much you want to charge your clients, and you could see how much you would profit from it. This includes, this does not include shipping. The shipping and taxes are extra. So if you wanted to include shipping for your products, I would, you know, suggest maybe putting this up to like $40. All right, now that it's done loading, it's synced to the website as well. So now we can go check the website and refresh. And as you can see, it already put it there for you. What I didn't do is added more options for colors and stuff. I just wanted to get this done real quick. But now you can see that the hoodie is now available to order, and you could choose your size, and then, you know, add to cart, check out. And then it's easily, and then your clients can go ahead and order right here, just like normal, put their credit card and order. So I hope you found this video helpful. There's so many things that you could do with Printful and their integrations for your websites. You know, just if you wanted to start your own apparel company, you could do that basically free if you have a website. You know, I even think that it would be great for if you have a small company and wanted to start a swag store. It'd be kind of cool. If you don't want to charge, like make a profit on your products for your employees to buy, you can do that as well. You can even try out the products before you sell them. You get a 30% discount as well. So if you want to order a couple things for yourself just to try them out, or if you just want a couple cheaper products, you don't have to worry about minimums. This is a great solution for that. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share. All right, thanks. Have a good one. Bye. Come on, say hi. You want to say hi? No?